Namar ka jing kerdo gas ban shajing shan hagi yeng kisam gi paidbah na kaleng ka jaka mentasi hilalait ban yeng lan ha ka jaka pelum tendong gas jong ka MS Ri-Bhoi district gas agency ha ka shnong mautonom Ri-Bhoi district manlen ab gas ringkan ki klong thli ban pediang da ki baladam hadien babon ki long yeng kilama jinge namar kim yo gas ban shadwat hadien bakila da bung nakaliang ki board district hadien ka jing patha jong sarkar ban thau ya ka district LPG supply monitoring committee mendagasngi kila lumi ka jinge lang baning kong ringkar ki officer na kitanat sarkar ba pepe bat kum juru ki try jong ki jaka sam gas Ri-Bhoi district banya merging mun banya keran kumno manwengi ki jinge jong ki patba deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi district wa bilash paranwal ula pintep ba ka jingwan poi ka gas menta kala hiar bha habaya nujon bat ki por bladam ka blawan ra ka jinge ha ka jing penbyang shiki patba abakran sila patai kubo udisi uloong bakom shibenta pan pet penya yakani ka jinge ka sarkar jala kala batha ban thau ka district LPG supply monitoring committee bat ka jing yalang ka baningkong jongani ka committee la deb ban pelong menta ka sngi ha ka bale kran halor kilat kilinti ban penben ya ka jingduna ka jingpan poi ya ki tendong shed ha ka district nakaliang uba Victor Max Renja proprietor ka Ri-Bhoi gas agency habakran shigila patai kubor ula penpau ba kipat ba kimdei ban sngo atatien ne klumar jingmon halor ka jing bam yo gas hakine kisi uloong ba watla ka jing wan poi ka gas ka khamduna Henry ki company ki ba penbyang ya ka supply kila pentikana bakam dan ka jing kerdo gas Henry ka jing duna ka dei namar ka jing nang bon ki nong pendan kam ula pen shairu ba ka gas agency ka dei tang ka benta bansam ka gas sa gipat pa kat ba kajing penbyang ya ka supply ka syong ha ka sarkar pat ki company kat kum ka jingat hu jong u ka agency kala tray hop bansam ki gas kat kum ka tarik palabok na kipat pa shushu ula pen pawru ya ka jing song kya halor ka jinga kandu jinge jong ki nong pen poi gas sa ki ying priyo delivery boy ki babon sien ki shak nyum bacha barngam na kipat pa uloong bawat la kam dei gajing makla jongki Henry ki haban bor ye ki kendon da ka bapen poi shwa she ki to ki pala da booking min shwa ka bapelong ye ki ban margin e ha ka jing trekam jongki
itu file gede nak biang
company iyo kataka assurance pa kamdan da kataka jing duna stock tabakan ni repan India problem pi pamdi tangan yang kalian ingin nak isungi te ka company hi kaile ka bala ben bahkan sabtang ini kan ka mari ban resort mon nam sa project di paidbah takarau ni kimdan da kataka jing duna stock tamalong no kani ka jing stock jungi matani Ri-Bhoi kamtam halo ni yo lai hajat li ka booking kadunapi ka jing yo jungi taro ka iduna kan supply te nadu man Friday ro kamyo te nyirang syom tasni te gidan du lai hajat booking te atok te kala duna mungin supply berapa lai hajat ta tai teman om duna te ngiyo assurance untuk ni apa mana apa duna
kamdan mana kumba ka kompoi gas en
ka kumba ngai pi man Friday ngiyo man Saturday ngiyo last dan mentakasi nadu Friday nadu man Saturday nang issue am tasni meaning by this whole week ngiyo tam tasni kata ro kapoy tang atli kato te ajar ko beri booking ka te ka dunai ka kun pa customer base jang aro gidi bon gidi kinan gidi PMUI te gini kala pemi kato protokol bertmai ba kini ki ba yo tang show gas mata ki yo ban adin 45 days ki yo gas ben ya asam jenjar kini kata ro 45 days ka simpori ki bagen yo gas ben mungkin yo ban refill ben ya kini protokol mentaro kala asam jenjar hingi mangin supply baru jadi macam time ya tan mi meeting bad DC supply department berka company lo haju ko komunitas ni lo kada bejir ngidan meeting nantakan di LPG crisis ngidan mentar keramba kipat ba kinyo kan ketuka kamtam yang mikir lagi no Ri-Bhoi jongi mungkin lebih sufficient stock mah mungkin lebih supply kipat ba ya kata ka jongi ta ni ditang supply ya so na te nakalian dungi de kaditang man su approve pe ki he ki han ke mo menyerap ini bangin yo penbetul bang ba mo nginong spokesperson jong ki public tai min jong ita mata na ka jing indan jong ke ding order jong ding indan ben ni order ben maksi kini ka hukum supply chain jong ke mental pendapat rabun mas ko ito ki paidbah kreatif lawan pe haguraun jong kita jong la denja ban mina bro no te ka ba apa ka de ka panic booking jong hibreo te ka turu ka wan pen jeng jar ng haban print kani ka receipt te bun sien ngi check pat jadi itu kibla rabio gas te automa sistem jong ipat ngi hap ni jelo bayaki te gitu hibreo gidi ban yo kimyo su kalau mata tanah ada hibreo di panic kalau kilang panic booking nyele ka ban lahi ban pustu na kaliang ngi dani ka awareness pan om bawa juk saya ka gas pan poipet na ni te ban man bu gas ni bu na ba ipai ba hi don kam so ngiru ka de business sungi mungkin subuh untuk dan kima di agensi ban hot i untuk ru nam tip kita mengipat nyele ban ai ba ipai ba masan man pen yang ba yaki na ba ngim kwa ba om tam ba set katiu kam tam ni kena school bikilet school i kam tam ini for exam ni college na school i tay saya jung sa kawiru long keting edungi long kani ki kamu mostly kan so ngai pi kadi booking ni ba pensaying ta na bagi brio tidak dalam panik dalam por corona to dalam panik palam tama din sali ka stock kabyang bagi ni ta mas niyo ila pala bi pen pan.
So, as we understand, because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation, as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee. And we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now, the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agencies is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms to have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first serve basis so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. So the shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met, and it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in, that is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.